Joyner, and I'm the discussion director for Team 3, and we are talking about Toulmin and Rogers methods. So question 1 is, what are the elements needed to execute an argument in the Toulmin method? The answer that I had was the claim, grounds, warrants, backing, model, qualifiers, and rebuttal. And for the claim, it is the argument that's being made. You state that at the beginning. For the grounds, it is the support for the claim and the evidence that you have for the claim. The warrant, it connects the grounds to the claim. The backing supports your warrant and gives reason for your warrant. The qualifiers are statements that strengthen your claim, and the rebuttal would be an opposition to the claim or an exception. For question 2 is, what elements are included in the Rogerian argument method? And my answer was stating the problem, giving the opponent's position, granting validity the writer finds in that position, and lastly, attempting to show how the opposing position can be improved on if the original position is accepted. So my third question is, what is the difference between Toulmin and Rogers models? And my answer was Toulmin has more arguments to support the person's claim rather than the opponent's claim. And in Rogers' method, it relies more on ethos, appeals, and moral reasoning to defend their claim, but also the other person's claim so that they can find a middle ground. So rather than just supporting more on one side in the Toulmin method, the Rogers method looks at both sides and tries to find a compromise. And for my fourth question, how does Toulmin's model help with critical thinking in an argument? And for my answer, I said that the Toulmin method is very detailed and looks at the small things in an argument and analyzes those things, and it identifies the claims and reasons and gives evidence to back that claim. And with this model, a person can be seen as more reliable and their claims can be seen more valid because they have so much evidence to back their claims. And for my fifth question, I had, why would looking at supporting evidence for the opposing side help in an argument like in the Rogerian method? And my answer was, in contrast to Toulmin's method, the Rogers method tries to understand the opposite point of view instead of just completely invalidating the other person's point of view. And they look for points in agreement so that they can find a compromise and find the common goals between the two sides. And the Rogerian argument enhances your ability to understand the opposing viewpoint and find ways to get a resolution instead of dismissing the other argument. And that is the end of my PowerPoint. Thank you.